So this is an update on the status of the studio. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's new. All the soundproofing is now done, and the next step is to hire a carpenter, which I'm already doing, to do some finishing work on the room, such as the doors, a panel for what's gonna be our audio recording studio, and the window. And the ceiling, as you guys can see, is perforated drywall, acoustic drywall. Lets the sound through, then it bounces back, kind of gets stuck in the air gap in between the drywall and the ceiling.